साल की डेडलाइन आपकी स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी।
ठीक है, तभी तो उन्होंने अनुमति दी है कि आप आगे भी कर सकते हो। अगर आपको क्लियरेंसेज नहीं मिली तो आप वो इश्यू सब जो भी है सरकार उस पर देखेगी। इश्यू इसके इसमें कोई धांधलेबाजी नहीं है, ये कहने का मतलब है। कोल कहीं बिका नहीं है, कोल इज एन इनपुट कॉस्ट। अब आपकी सोच क्या है, किस तरह से स्टील की प्राइसिंग होनी चाहिए, किस तरह से पावर की प्राइसिंग होनी चाहिए, ये एक पॉलिसी इश्यू। इस पे ये नहीं कह सकते कि आपके एक ऐसे तो लैंड अलॉटमेंट होता है, लोअर मिडिल क्लास को कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी देते हैं ना लोग, जो लैंड खरीद नहीं सकते, अब वो भी लॉस हो गया। अगर सीएजी कहने लगेंगे साहब इसको तो आपको ऑक्शन करना चाहिए था, आपने कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी को कितना क्यों दिया, तो वो भी लॉस हो गया। तो ऐसे तो लैंड का हम कैलकुलेट करने तो मेरे ख्याल लाखों करोड़ का लॉस हो जाएगा सरकार को। तो ये एक पॉलिसी इश्यूज है, देश को आगे कैसे बढ़ाना है, आम जनता की जरूरतें कैसी पूरी करनी है, आम जनता को सस्ता कैसे मिलना चाहिए, ये दृष्टिकोण के साथ हमें आगे बढ़ाना है। देखो मैं ये सब आप ये बात छोड़िए, हमने आपको तथ्य हमने आपको तथ्य समझा दी। अब इस समझने के बाद आप तय कर लो कि क्या हुआ क्या नहीं।
Prakash Javadekar has been doing press conferences. He did one today. Yesterday he released a letter written by Subodh Kar Sahai to the Prime Minister's office.
Right.
Where he asked the Prime Minister's intervention in that letter.
Right.
That letter was dated on 5th of February.
I have it.
And Prime Minister's office responded 30 days.
Right.
Today, Prakash Javadekar says the current Coal Minister Jaiswal's family has also got boosted.
So this is exactly the point. This is exactly the point that was raised in a litigation filed by Prakash Industries Limited. This PIL is not a PIL, it's Prakash Industries Limited. Prakash Industries Limited lawyer was a very renowned person of the BJP. I won't take his name. Right? Strictures have been passed in that judgment, and this letter was quoted in the judgment, and I have given you a copy. Just read it. It says that this whole claim is false and it is mala fide, and they imposed a cost at the end of it. Accordingly, the writ petition and pending applications are dismissed with costs of 2.5 lakhs, and 50,000 will be held paid by the petitioner to respondent number 1 and jointly. In fact, this allocation, this letter that he refers to, the allocation was made in 2007. He is referring to Subodh Kar Sahai's letter, right? But and on 5th February 2008, but the allocation had already been made in 2007. And the court has discussed all this, and this document has been circulated to you. So this is all false. Court has displeased. This is a court judgment. I am not saying so. So he is not his brother. Court said this is false.
Also, he's also been accused.
They are not his relative. He is not his relative. She said this. No, who said that? I said the allocation had already been done in 2007 and it had nothing to do with the power plant. This is for a steel plant. The allocation was for a power plant. So it's just, it is all wrong, factually wrong. That's what I'm saying. BJP does this often. They never read the document. They always make allegations.
What about Mr. Jaiswal?
He has denied it. He has denied it.
आपने जो आग्रह भी किया है बीजेपी से सदन में आने के लिए, मान लेते हैं कि अगर वो आग्रह स्वीकार नहीं करते तो उस स्थिति को सरकार कह देगी।
कौन सा आग्रह नहीं स्वीकार करते? हाँ, नहीं, वो नहीं करना चाहते थे भाई। क्या करेंगे? हम तो रोज 11 बजे वहां जाएंगे पार्लियामेंट, और क्या करेंगे भैया? और फिर 5 बजे फिर आग्रह करेंगे। भाई लोकतंत्र तो ऐसे ही चलेगा ना।
Mr. Sipal, just a question. Apart from BJP, even the left has demanded that all the coal block allocations
correct. Left opposed it when they were the chief minister. They opposed all this.
So, are you saying? I mean, are you ruling out any cancellation of coal block allocations?
It's all very. I don't think when people have made these statements, they realize the consequences of what they are saying. They have no idea. Because I don't think that they have really analyzed the nature of the sector and what all this is, what are the consequences of all this.
I'm trying to understand out of that 142 blocks which he was saying, 58 has already been, the process of cancellation has already been initiated.
No. Not at all.
Yes, really 58 have been still the process?
No. There is no process of cancellation of 58. Any case, whatever government has to do in terms of the actual projects the government will do.
The Prime Minister's statement is then incorrect.
Why?
He has said that the process of cancellation has started.
Not on 57. He has not said
Yeah,
that.
but
He has not said that. There is 6 of them, as I told you. CBI is looking into 6 odd matters. Those will be looking.